Now, Sofi Technologies yesterday closed the day trading up 3%. Now, ladies and gents, Sofi Technologies is one of the stocks that we discuss a lot on this channel, and one or some of the things that resulted in the shares of Sofi to close high was obviously the latest developments that we've been getting or hearing the CEO mentioning and announcing, and not only that, latest benefits from coming to the Sofi users, which will of course make Sofi to add new benefits that come with Sofi Plus. Yes, Sofi will be very soon launching Sofi Plus, and their users will be reaping, or there are so many good benefits that come with this Sofi Plus. Now, all these things, ladies and gents, are the ones which I personally believe made the shares of Sofi to finish the day obviously trading over $5.20, which is something that is incredible, and something that obviously those of you that obviously continue loading the boat, increasing your holdings onto a stock like Sofi are definitely going to be rewarded, because not only is this stock or this company producing good earnings every time they report, of course, their earnings on each and every quarter, but this is a company that its consumers or their membership growth continues rising, and the chances are we are going to see the membership growth aggressively continuing to rise, which, guess what, that will bring in more money or more revenue into Sofi Technologies, which is why I remain bullish, long and strong onto this Sofi Technologies stock. Now, before we dig deep into this video, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit that like button if you do consider this video beneficial. I mean, I will from the bottom of my heart also like it for you to hit that like button, as it helps with YouTube's algorithm. So as I've said, part of the reason why Sofi Technologies finished the day up over 3% yesterday was obviously, of course, we read or we heard of an announcement of Sofi indicating that they will be launching Sofi Plus. Now, Sofi Plus will be coming with so many benefits, of which some of the benefits include 2% APY on checking and savings account, and also a 3% cashback on all credit card purchases. I mean, these are some of the massive, of course, benefits that obviously are to be the one that I personally believe it will encourage a lot of people to come into Sofi Technologies. This will encourage a lot of consumers to join this platform, and guess what, when more members come in and join the Sofi Technologies, Sofi Technologies will be able to generate more and more revenue, which is something that obviously makes me to remain long and strong onto Sofi Technologies. Yes, share price, I know that this stock has been, of course, dropping quite sharply, but I personally believe, or I still believe, that this is a stock which is just said to do very well. I mean, Bank of America, or BOA, recently they upgraded their price target on Sofi Technologies, which is something that must just show you that it is not only probably the retail investors and maybe some of the Sofi insiders or all Sofi insiders believing in this company, but even big institutions really see the potential, really see the future onto this Sofi Technologies, which is what we've been seeing also on the insiders. They've been also buying, loading the boat. I mean, the recent transaction, or there was one of the recent transactions where we're seeing an insider again, and this time around not the CEO, another insider buying a lot and lots of shares onto Sofi Technologies, which that I always tell you that it's something that should be taken as a very bullish sign or good move, because obviously insiders know more than us in terms of future prospects, in terms of some of the products they will be launching in the future, which is why it's considered to be a good thing when you see them increasing, loading the boat onto their own stock. So the fact that we saw a recent transaction made by another insider is something that must just show you that Sofi it's set to do very well, because it does not make sense that someone or an insider puts money knowing very well that the company is collapsing or the company will not go anywhere. I personally believe that Sofi Technologies is just set to do very well, and the numbers are not lying. I mean, regardless of the student loan repayment hold, Sofi has been seeing their revenue growing regardless of the pause, or regardless of one of their big segments called student loans, which obviously it's contributing some good revenues into Sofi Technologies. Sofi continues to strive, and the fact that student loan repayments are resuming from next year 2023 in January is something that not only is that maybe exciting as the consumers, but also this is something that obviously excites also Sofi, because they know that they will be able to generate more and more revenue. This is one of the things that I personally believe that it will take them closer, or push them really close to becoming that profitable company that so many of the investors are patiently waiting Sofi to achieve. Now, Sofi Technologies, you will know that they do have a banking charter, which means that they are operating or as a bank, which is one of the things that, again, this will bring in more revenue or generate them more revenue, as it gives them more opportunity to do so, which is something that continues to make me to remain bullish, long and strong onto this Sofi Technology stock. So the fact that obviously the share price of Sofi has not been performing maybe the way it should, due to, of course, the current market conditions, which not only we are seeing in Sofi, or stocks like Sofi not doing good in the markets, but it's almost all the stocks which are not performing due to, of course, the current economic conditions, high inflation, interest rate hikes. We are seeing stocks not doing that good, and the chances are obviously we might finish the year this year still these stocks not performing the way maybe investors expect them to perform, because of the current economic conditions, because of the inflation, because of course interest rate hikes that we've been seeing the Federal Reserve coming in and increase. But one thing I like about Sofi is that regardless of the interest rate hikes, regardless of the inflation, they continue to obviously give more benefits or offer more benefits to their consumers. I mean, they are giving 2% on checking and savings account for their clients, which is something that is incredible. They are offering a 3% cash back on their credit cards, or for all credit card purchases, which is something that, again, is something that is incredible. I mean, they are also offering a 0.25% discount on personal loans. So the loans that you get in Sofi, in terms of the interest that you will pay back on your loans, chances are very high that you won't find them in most of the banks operating in America, which is something that sets apart Sofi, or is going to be the one to continue bringing a lot of clients into Sofi Technologies, because this is a stock which, ladies and gents, they want to do, they want to make banking so simple to consumers. They want to make banking so cheap to consumers, which is why they are offering this kind of services. Otherwise, Sofi, you will know that it is the platform, or the platform that they offer themselves offers a wide range of services. I mean, this is a company that it's striving to be the #1 stop shop for all things relating to digital banking. As you know that on the Sofi platform, consumers can save, borrow, invest, spend, and trade, which is something that you would not find in normal traditional banks. So all these good benefits and good news from Sofi makes me to remain bullish, long and strong onto this stock, because, ladies and gents, there is no way consumers can just leave these benefits that Sofi offers and continue opening maybe more and more accounts in other banks. Most definitely, I believe that Sofi in the future will be part of the top 5 banks in America. I believe so. I believe Sofi can achieve that, because whatever they are doing, the kind of fundamentals they are building in their stock or in this company, will make them to flourish in the future. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell. As otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat onto Sofi, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable even when you see the shuffles that sometimes happen on this stock, like what we are seeing now. And instead of panicking and selling your shares, you go in there and you load the boat onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.